When you look at this, it looks like it's the future. Personalized medicine, personalized testing in the privacy of your home.
Cue is really reimagining how to optimize for human health.
Making sure that folks are healthy is very, very important.
We have Cue in somebody's suitcase as they're traveling to see a Bridgewater client. We have Cue sitting on someone's kitchen counter. And we have Cue in a high-throughput testing center. And we didn't need to change a thing about the technology to have it work in those cases.
I hope that more organizations will start adapting it.
I also hope that we move from this place of proactive testing to come on site safely to a world where we're actually doing it as a benefit for our employees, that our employees are thinking about this as a platform that they can use to optimize their own health.
What enables more meaningful work and more meaningful relationships is care that you express for the people that you live with or you work with. Cue is an enabler for that care.